So, good evening, friends. Today we will be seeing about the important milestones into psychiatry. Mostly these questions are asked. You can see the questions are asked. Okay, from the years. Okay, the milestones. Okay, so we will be seeing here first, that is in psychiatric. Okay, in 1773, first mental hospital in America was set up in Williamsburg, Virginia. Okay, in 1773, first mental health was set up. The next, in 1812, first textbook on psychiatric written in America by Benjamin Rush. Okay, by Benjamin Rush it was written. Here he is also known as American psychiatrist. Okay, the next comes, that is the in 1860, first Nightingale nursing school at St. Thomas Hospital in London was set up. Then later on in 1912, schizophrenia disease condition delivered by Swiss doctorate, that is Eugenia Buehler. And the second thing that happened in 1912, that was pass Indian Lunacy Act. Indian Lunacy Act was passed. Then further in 1927, introduction to insulin shock treatment. Okay, this treatment was introduced in 1927. Then in 1938, first time ECT for psychosis in Rome. Very important, this can be asked where it was used. Okay, so 1938, first ECT was used for psychosis in Rome. The next we will see, that is in 1946, based on the Bhore committee. Everybody knows. Okay, 5 mental hospitals were opened. The first in Amritsar, that was in 1947, in Hyderabad 1953, Srinagar 1958, Jamnagar 1960, and in Delhi 1966. Okay. Then later on in 1949, lithium used for mania. First time lithium was used for mania, that was in 1949. फिर उसके बाद हम देखेंगे 1952 में introduced of chlorpromazine, which is an antipsychotic drug. There was the introduction of chlorpromazine in 1952. Then here in 1956, 1 year certificate course at NIMHANS. NIMHANS provided 1 year certificate course for psychiatric nurse in 1956. Then 1965, 1963, Community Mental Health Center Act was passed. In 1965, INC made compulsory subject for BSc nursing. Psychiatric, they made the subject, that psychiatric subject made compulsory for BSc nursing. 1975, psychiatric nursing became an elective subject in MSc nursing in RAK college. Okay. In 1986, INC made psychiatric a part of GNM. In GNM curriculum it was introduced. 1987, Indian Mental Health Act was passed. 1987. 1990, school mental health program like ICDS were introduced. And in 1991, Indian Society of Psychiatric Nurses formed at NIMHANS Delhi.